Hey friends, we're back for some more math. Okay, so yesterday we talked about we worked more with groups of 10 and counting groups of 10 and how many groups of 10 we were making. And today we are going to be working on taking away groups of 10. So we're going to be working on some subtraction. So we are going to be playing a game, and I'm going to show you on my screen how you play that game. So this game is called How Many Now, and you can play this two ways. You can play it with cubes, or you can play it with 10 frames. So we'll play one round on here with cubes, and then I will show you the other game. One round we'll play with 10 frames, and then I'm going to show you how to do your dojo assignment. Okay, so what you're going to do in this game is you have counting by 10 cards over here. So if you remember how to get on the Game Center through the portal, you are welcome to do that and get on and play this game. If you don't remember and you aren't able to get on, it is okay. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to turn over two cards. Okay, so I have the number 90 and then the number 80. Okay, so it says build the larger number with cubes. Okay, so which number is the larger number? Yes, 90. Okay, so I'm going to count by tens with these cubes here, and I'm going to build 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, oh my goodness, I'm running out of room, 80, 90. I'll stick this guy over here. Okay, so I have 90 cubes. Now what I need to do is I want to take away 80 cubes. So I'm not going to use any more of these cubes. I'm going to take 80 cubes from this pile over here and put them over here. So I'm going to count by tens to take away 80. So I have 90. Now I'm going to take away 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh my goodness. And when I took away 80, how many did I have left? Yeah, I only have 10 left. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to record. I don't know why that's so far down there. Okay, I'm going to write our answers here. Okay, so we started with 90 and we took away 80. And then when I look back up here, how many do I have left? 10. So 90 minus 80 equals 10. All right. So let's go ahead and I'll flip these cards back over here. Oops. And let's do another one. I wish that these guys would just, I didn't have to click all the way over here. So I'll put all of my cubes back over here because I'm starting with two new numbers. Okay, so I have the number 30 and 10. So which number is bigger? 30. Okay, so 30 minus 10. So I'm going to count with my cubes and I'm going to make 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now I want to take away 10. I am not adding any more cubes. I am taking away. So I'm going to take 10, one group of 10 over here, and I'm going to take that away. How many do I have left? 20, 10, 20. So I'm going to go down here. We started with 30. We took away 10, and now we have 20 cubes left. Awesome. So that is how you play How Many Now with cubes. I'm going to switch over and let's do the same thing with 10 frame cards. Remember, you can play this game on the Game Center through Pearson. You have to go through the portal to play this game though. So if you aren't able to get on the portal, then you won't be able to play this game. It's okay. It's not a requirement. If you want to make your own game like this, you could do that too. Okay, so I'm going to find my bigger number. I know 7 is bigger than 3, so I'm going to put 30. So 70 minus 30. The same thing, except now I'm using 10 frame cards. So I'm going to build the number 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, now I want to take away 30. I'm not adding any more. I'm not putting 30 over here. Nope. I'm taking 30 from my 70. 10, 20, 30. So if I have 70 and I take 30 away, how many how many 10 frames do I have left? 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. We started with 70. We took away 30, and now we have 40 left. Awesome. Let's do one more, and then we will move along. Okay, so I'm going to clear these out. Here we go. All right, we're done with those. 20 and 70. Ooh, so we're starting with 70 again. This time we're taking 20 away. I put 70 first because it's the bigger number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so there's 70. This time we want to take 20 away. 10, 20. How many are left? Awesome. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I'm going to scroll down and record. We started with 70. We took away 20. And this time we had 50. Awesome. So if you want to hop on the Game Center and try to figure out how to play this game, go for it. If you can't figure it out, that's okay, because we just learned how to subtract by groups of 10. So I am going to move to a worksheet, okay? And I am going to show you how to solve these problems because I'm going to give you a couple of these on your dojo assignment. Okay. Actually, yeah. Am I giving them to you on your dojo assignment? Yes, I am. Okay. Okay, so, oh, I didn't mean to stop sharing my screen. Sorry. This is Lindley. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here to the Game Center. This time, there are no cubes or anything for you to use, so you're going to have to be creative. I have here some markers that I found, and I can use these to help me if I need them. If you don't need these, then by all means, just do whatever you need to do, okay? All right, so I'm going to use these to help me. Okay, so number 1 says build 20. So I'm going to do 10, 20, okay? So I'm starting with 20. Now it says remove 10. Remove, that means take away. So I'm going to take away 10. Whoop. Now I have 10 left. So I'm going to write my answer here. So we started with 20. I took away 10 because it told me to take away. That word remove, that means to take away. And now I have 10 left. Okay? All right, let's look at number 2. Build 30, okay? 10, 20, 30. Now it says add 10. So I have 30, and this time I'm gonna put one more. Now I have, okay, so I'm starting with 30. Let me write this here. It's so hard to write on here. I'm adding 10. And now how many do I have? 10, 20, 30, 40. Cool. All right, let's do 2 more and then you'll be on your own. All right, build 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh my goodness. I have 60. This is so hard for me. Okay, I have 60. Wow. Okay, and now it says to add 30. Oh my goodness. So let me write this in here. I'm started with 60. Now I'm adding 30. Okay, so I have 60. Now I'm going to add 30. 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh my goodness, 90. So I had 6 of my markers and I added 3 more to make 90. Okay, build 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ooh, that word remove. Remove means to take away. Whoa, that's not a good 5. Starting with 50. And now I'm taking away or removing 20. So 50. Now I'm going to take away 10, take away 20. Now I have 10, 20, 30. All right, so I'm going to give you a few of these types of problems for you to work on and solve. Use whatever you have at home to help you if you need help counting. I don't have cubes, I don't have tin frame cards, so I just use markers here to help me count. If you have pretzels, you could use pretzels. If you have, like I have some flowers, sitting here I could use and count those flowers. Whatever you need to use to help you solve some of these problems over on Dojo. See ya.